Hello friends, Ashton here. So in today's video, I'd like to bring a new feature for my add-on Chalkline. And this new feature is basically a custom function for Google Sheets. And it's going to be my first custom function for this add-on. Okay, and the function here I'm talking about is trying to solve a problem for importing HTML content to your Google Sheets. If you're ever used the import HTML function in Google Sheets, we already have a built-in function that can import HTML. I think they can import the table item from the HTML and the list items from the HTML. But here in this function, we can use regular expressions to parse your HTML content and return them the value you want. So I think it's going to be a little bit easier or flexible for you if you are familiar with regular expression, and it's going to be powerful if you know how to use it. Okay, so you can follow this instruction here. I also add a demo here for you to try it after you have the add-on installed. All right, and in this video, I'd like to show you a live demo here. And let me just open this spreadsheet for you. So you will see here, once you have the Chalkline installed, and you will be able to access this custom function. So I think I'm going to name my functions with a CL for Chalkline and underscore. So it help you to, just in case in the future I'm going to add more functions for Google Sheets, and you can easily find them. Okay, and right now we only have one, and CL underscore import HTML, and this one is going to take 3 parameters, and it's going to be the source URL of the HTML content, and then you can pass a regular expression. The last one is going to be the flags you want to use for the regular expression. Okay, so I already have something here, and this is going to be my add-on installation page. Right, I'm going to get this number here. So this is the add-on, and I'm going to get this number from this page. So that's basically I can use a regular expression to match this content. I'm going to parse it back to and fetch it back to the Google Sheets. So you will see here, if I inspect this element here, and I can get a div tag here, so I can get, so this basically this value here is what I want it to be fetched to my Google Sheets. So I can use a regular expression to do that for me. So you will see in the Google Sheets, so the first parameter here is the source, and then I have this regular expression to get that div. So you will see here I have a div here, and I have this array table, array label, and then I have some keywords, this app. So because I can see in here we have some unique values here, like installed this app dot. So I'm using this as a key to find, to locate this content in this HTML page, right? So this is my way to do that. But you can, the regular expression is quite flexible, so you can maybe, if I better way, so every case could be different. So this is just a demo how I can get this number from this page, and you will see here this can be used. I think it's going to be used on all the pages, I think, for the add-on installation, if I want to show you that. So I can just simply copy, and the last parameter here is just a flag, so I'm using I here to ignore the case, but I think we can just remove it. It's going to work the same. Yeah, it's going to work the same. Just in case you want to assign some flags for the regular expression, so you can do that. So this last parameter is just flags. And it returns, so basically here it returns 2 values, is because I have a group here in the regular expression. So if I remove this group, this time let me check. Yes, I just get 1 value because I'm removed the group, so it returns only one value. And so if I add the group back, so I'm grouping this installation number to a group, so it returns two values. And the advantage of this, so you can, so I put the bracket wrong place, should put it here to get this 3K plus. So I'm output the values like row by row. Okay, so and if you only want to get this number, you can use the index function. I think though this is going to be the source for the index function, and then you can assign. So I'm going to access the first row, and the second row, and the first column, and then I can access this number like this. So I can have a reference if I just want to get this number, so I can easily access them like this, right? So this is about how we can use it. So in this demo, so to show you another add-on here I'm using, so I just only need to make a copy of this address, and if I'm replacing this URL with this address, and then so this is going to be the installation number for this add-on. So this is a 414 installation. So this is how this formula can be used in Google Sheets. It's quite powerful, I think, especially if you're trying to get some data from some website, and the website is public accessible, and you should be able to get whatever you want with regular expression. But you have to learn a little bit about regular expression. Maybe you can ask some AI tools like the ChatGPT to help you if you're not familiar with regular expression. But generally, for some simple case, I think you can easily use regular expression to do that. Okay, so I think that's all about this video. And if you, because right now this is just the first function, and I think I'm planning to do more things, more functions, but it seems so right now this function here, the main idea I'm doing this because I was trying to create a dashboard for my add-on, so I can get this installation number from Google's website, so I can get this number from their site, and it's basically solve my own problem. All right, so if you have something, so basically there is a lot of functions, built-in functions, but sometimes maybe you need some customization, and the built-in function cannot solve the problem. Maybe we can provide a custom solution with this add-on, so we can bring more custom functions, maybe to solve the problem that right now the built-in function cannot solve, right? So that's basically it to solve my problem, and I'd like to share it here and add it to this add-on, so you can also use it if you have similar issues or looking for similar solutions in Google Sheets. All right, so I think that's it about this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.